जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीर वनचारी। ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीर वनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे। जय राधा कुंड की। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। माधु हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे राम नित्यानंद 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 राम नित्यानंद, नित्यानंद 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 राम नित्यानंद 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 राम। नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम, नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम, नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम, नित्यानंद 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 राम, नित्यानंद 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 राम। गौरंग श्याम जय गौरंग श्याम, 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 गौरंग श्याम जय गौरंग श्याम जय गौरंग श्याम। नित्यानंद 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 राम, नित्यानंद 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 राम, नित्यानंद 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 राम, नित्यानंद। निताई गौरांग निताई गौरांग, निताई गौरांग निताई गौरांग, निताई गौरांग निताई गौरांग, निताई गौरांग निताई गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई 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 गौरांग, निताई। श्री निताई गौर हरि नाम संकीर्तन महायज्ञ की जय, श्री नाम संकीर्तन की जय, श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की जय, श्री वृंदा देवी की जय, श्री अष्ट सखी गण की जय, श्री 64 मंजरी की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, श्रील सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। श्री गौर किशोर दास बाबा जी महाराज की जय। श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। श्रील भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्धो नित्य मुक्तो अभिन्नत्वाम नाम नामिनो जयति जयति नामानंद रूपम मुरारे विरमित निज धर्म ध्यान पूजारि कथमपि सकृत मुक्तिदं प्राणिनां यत् परममृतं ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालम् पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारणम् परमानंद माधवम् श्री चैतन्यम् ईश्वरम् वन्देऽहं श्री गुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलम् श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्री रूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजन सहितं कृष्ण चैतन्य देवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान् सगुण ललिता श्री विशाखान्वितांश्च। कृष्ण तत्व वेत्ता प्रकृत जे होय से होइते पारे गुरु. So yesterday evening we saw how we are discussing the fourth chapter of the sixth chapter of Harinam Chintamani, the third offense in the chanting of Krishna's name, which is known as Gurur Avagya, disobedience to Guru. So here Haridas Thakur is describing the symptoms of a Guru and how to accept a Guru. So he is saying that a Guru, the best Guru is from a higher Varna, means it is ideal to have a Guru from the Brahmanical ashram, but the more important than that is that the Guru should be Krishna Tattvavetta. The Guru should know Krishna factually, Krishna's name, form, qualities and pastimes. The Guru should be very expert in that science of Krishna. Ideally, if one finds a Guru, Varnera Maryada Patrera Vichare Paramarthe Laghu Ati. If one finds a Guru which is both a pure devotee of Krishna and also in the higher Varna and ashram, then such a Guru should be accepted. But if one does not find a qualified Guru in the higher ashram of Brahmana ashram, Brahminical ashram, then one can choose a Guru from any ashram, any Varna. Kiba Shudra, Kiba Nyasi, Shudra Kene Noe, Kiba Vipra, Jai Krishna Tattvavetta, Sei Guru Hai. Any Guru, anyone in any ashram knowing the science of Krishna can become Guru. So now we will see Supatrera Prapti Mool Prayojan, Pavitra Suvarnahana. We will see Gruhatyagi Agruhi Guru Ashray Korite Paren. A renunciant should always accept a renounced Guru in the renounced ashram. A Grihastha can accept a Grihastha Guru if the Grihastha Guru is qualified. But normally a renunciant should always accept a renounced Guru. That is the system. If renounced Guru is not available, then the renounced devotee can accept a Grihi Guru in rare cases. Je kon karane shei gruha dharma chhadi anya ashram le tahe paramarth na pariya shesh sadhu guru anvesh tahar pakshite agruhi acharya prashasta sakalamate taro diksha shiksha paiya sheijon bhase namamrute. A renunciant who is a brahmachari or a sannyasi should find out a sannyasi Guru or a renounced Guru and should accept diksha and shiksha from such a Guru, and then that disciple will be absorbed in Nama Rasamrit. He will become absorbed in Nam Ras. Gruhi Bhakta Gruha Tyag Korilei Purva Guru Tyag Korite Hoina. If householder devotees accept a renounced Guru, but after giving up their household ashram, if suppose they enter the renounced ashram, then they should not leave their Grihastha Guru. That is also a principle. Gruhi Bhakta Jane Virag Labile Chade Sansar Vidhi Tabu Guru Taru Charana Shray Koribe Jivan Avadhi. If the Guru and disciple both are qualified, then their relationship is eternal. Till the end of one's life, the relation between Guru and disciple is eternal. Janme Janme Prabhu say. If both remain qualified. So one should not give up a Guru till the end of one's life. Gruhi Jano Madhye Gruhi Guru Shasta Jadi Shuddha Bhakta Hana. A Grihastha can accept a Grihastha Guru only if that Guru is a pure devotee of Krishna. Natuva अग्रुही सुयोग्य हैले गुरु योग्य सर्वक्षण. But if a renounced guru is pure devotee, then the Grihastha can accept him at any moment. He is a qualified guru. Sadguru paiya bhakti te bhojibe bhave rahudoy hobe. Samsar virakti samsar chhadiya vairagya hoibe tabe. If you find a Sadguru, then if you take shelter of a Sadguru, then by the mercy of that Sadguru, one will get absorbed in bhav bhakti. By chanting the name, the bhav will arise very quickly under the shelter of the Sadguru. And one will become renounced from this life. The Grihasthas, husband and wife, they will take the Vanprastha ashram. They will go and do bhajan in the dham. At that time, one should still worship one's guru. Even if one renounces the world, still the relation between the guru and disciple is eternal. गृही यदि गृहस्थ सद्गुरु पान ग्रहण करिले पारेन नतु अग्रुही सद्गुरु वरण करिबे. गृही जखन वैराग्य आश्रम ग्रहण करिबेन तखन कोन सुयोग्य वैरागी गुरुर निकटे शिक्षा भिक्षा आश्रम में वेशादि ग्रहण करिते साध्य. Or if a grihastha becomes a vairagi, renunciant, then to receive the dress of a renunciant, one cannot approach a grihastha guru, so one has to receive this dress from a sannyasi or a vairagi. Like when Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to become a renunciant, then he wanted to take the dress from Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, because Gaur Kishore Das Babaji was a Paramhans. So when he went to take that Vesha Diksha, that Vesha, then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji was hiding. He went and sat down in a prostitute's house outside. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur searched the whole of Navadvip, but he could not find Gaur Kishore Das Babaji. So, but ultimately by the mercy of Gaur Kishore Das Babaji, Bhaktivinoda Thakur received that Vairagi Vesh. And our Param Gurudev also, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he did not find any qualified Vairagi or renunciant at that time. And his Gurudev ordered him to take sannyas. So he put a photograph of his Gurudev and accepted sannyas from that photograph. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati. So even now some people criticize this. How did he accept for sannyas from a photograph? Some people in Radhakund also say this sannyas is bogus, because Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati accepted sannyas from a photograph and he gave sannyas to all his followers. But what they don't know is that actually Gaur Kishore Das Babaji appeared to him and gave him sannyas. It is mentioned. He has written about this. Because sannyas diksha is not like Harinam diksha. Harinam diksha requires the physical presence of a living guru. You cannot take Harinam diksha from a photograph. But sannyas diksha is a formality. Sannyas diksha means you get that diksha from any sadhu, any sannyasi who is a renunciant, who is a pure renunciant. So, of course, the sannyasi also gets the Gopi Bhav mantra when one takes sannyas. It's a very, very divine mantra. By chanting the Gopi Bhav mantra, it's very easy to realize the Siddha Deha. The sannyasi realizes one's own form
by chanting this mantra. So the sannyas is to be always taken from a sannyasi. That's the meaning of this. Vairagya ashramo grahanete tyagi purusha guru taharo charane shikhibe virag guru shiksha kalpatru. If a grihastha has a grihastha guru and the grihastha becomes a renunciant, then the grihastha should take shiksha about the renounced life from a renounced shiksha guru. Diksha shiksha bhede guru du prakar ubhaye saman man arpibe sujon parmartha dhon anayase yadi chan. This is very, very important. This is the biggest fault in nowadays in the Krishna consciousness implementation, that Haridas Thakur says that Diksha Guru and Shiksha Guru are the two kinds of Guru, and both should be given equal respect. Ubhaye saman man. Diksha Guru is a manifestation of Radha Madan Mohan, who gives us Sambandha, and Shiksha Guru is the manifestation of Radha Govinda, who gives us Seva. So both should be given equal respect. Nowadays, that is a problem in the Vaishnava societies. So, when they get Shiksha, but they don't respect the Shiksha Guru. When they sit in a fire sacrifice in front of the Diksha Guru, they think that this is the main thing. Just because of the Yagya, the fire sacrifice, the Diksha Guru is the main, Shiksha Guru is secondary. But if the Shiksha Guru is very advanced, if the Shiksha Guru has made them devotees, the Shiksha Guru should be given equal respect. In fact, Prabhupada writes in Chaitanya Charitamrita that a Shiksha Guru is one who should gradually go on to become the Diksha Guru. One who gives Shiksha to the disciple, gives the knowledge and splends the blood and endeavors to make a soul into a devotee. That Shiksha Guru, if he is advanced enough, he should go on to become the Diksha Guru also. Or if one takes Shiksha from another Guru after taking Diksha, then one should see both the Gurus on the equal level. Ubhaye saman arpibe sujan parmartha dhon anayase adichan. If you want the greatest treasure of bhakti effortlessly, then you have to give equal respect. Krishna nama mantra dena diksha guru shiksha guru tattva data. The Krishna Nam mantra is given by the Diksha Guru, and the Shiksha Guru is the donor. He gives us Tattva Gyan, the knowledge about how to chant the Nam, the knowledge about Krishna Nam, Krishna Bhakti. Vaishnava Sakal Shiksha Guru Ana Sarva Shubha Bhajaniyata. And all the advanced Vaishnavas who have given us some knowledge about bhakti, who are pure in the heart, they all are our Shiksha Gurus. They have all benefited us in their endeavor. Gurura dui shreni jini mantra diksha matra den tini diksha guru, jini sambandh tattvadi shiksha den tini shiksha guru. Diksha guru ek jon korite hoye. Diksha Guru for Krishna mantra, for one mantra there can be only one Guru, Diksha Guru. But Shiksha Guru can be many. Even then, the Diksha Guru and Shiksha Gurus should be respected equally. Vaishnava Sampradaya, Sadhu Sampradaya, साधु परंपरा मंत्र तत्व साध्य साधन शिक्षा दिया आसिते चेन मायावाद आदि असत संप्रदाय होइते रक्षा पाइते होइले साधु संप्रदाय होइते गुरु चरण कराउची. Vaishnav Sampradaya is required for accept Diksha, and Vaishnav Sampradaya is also known as Sadhu Sampradaya. So we should get the mantra and the tattva, sadhya sadhan, what is the means and what is the goal. All this shiksha from the Vaishnav Sampradaya Gurus to protect us from the influence of the Mayavad Apasampradayas, Asat Sampradayas. And we have to find the lotus feet of a sadhu in the Vaishnav Sampradaya. साधु संप्रदाय आदि आचार्य निष्ठ शिक्षा के विशेष सम्मान करिबे. श्री रामानुज, श्री मध्व मुनि, श्री निम्बादित्य ओवि विष्णु स्वामी यार निज निज साधु संप्रदाय आदि आचार्य. These are the four sampradayas, like I was explaining day before yesterday evening, that these four Vaishnava sampradayas. Krishna gave the knowledge to Brahma and Brahma gave it to Madhvacharya. Krishna gave the knowledge to Lakshmi, Lakshmi chose Ramanujacharya. Krishna gave the knowledge to Shiva, Shiva chose Vishnu Swami. And Lakshmi gave the knowledge to the Sanat Kumaras. The Sanat Kumaras, they chose Nimba Aditya. So these are the four Vaishnava Sampradayas, Sadhu Sampradayas. And one should give very much preference, weight to the Guru in these four Vaishnava Sampradayas. Sampradaya adi Gurura Shiksha avalamban kariya acharano karibe. All our Sampradaya Acharyas, all are our Shiksha Gurus. And one should implement their teachings in our life. It's very important. This is another misconception is removed here. Sadhu Sampradaya Acharya Sokol Shiksha Guru Pratisthita Adya Acharya Jini Shiksha Guru Tini Pujitaro Yatho Chitta तारो सुसिद्धांत अनुगत होए ना मानिबे अन्य शिक्षा ताहारो आदेशे पालिबे जतने ना लइबे अन्य दीक्षा. Beautiful. In these four verses, Haridas Thakur is explaining the meaning of the Sampradaya Guru. What is the meaning? Our previous Acharyas, they are all Acharyas and they all are established as our Shiksha Gurus. We should never be scared to read their books. Nowadays we ask devotees, have you read the book of Rupa Goswami? Have you read the book of Bhakti Vinod Thakur? Says, no. Read Prabhupada's books. Don't jump over Prabhupada. But this is not the correct understanding. The correct understanding is all Acharyas are equal. They are all our Shiksha Gurus. Prabhupada has never said that don't read the Acharyas' books. In fact, in a conversation when Prabhupada was walking, they asked him, shall I read the book of the Goswamis? Prabhupada said, if you don't read the books, you will fall down. So, all our Acharyas should be accepted equally. We cannot give preference to our Diksha Guru more than all our Parampara Acharyas. We have to respect our grandfather, our great-grandfather more than our father. Normally in the family we respect grandfather more than our father. The more we go up. So in our Sampradaya, all our Acharyas are our Shiksha Gurus. They have to be respected in the same way as our Diksha Gurus. We should remember their lotus feet every day. We should sing their names. We should seek their mercy. Adya Acharya Jini Shiksha Guru Tini. Puja means worship. Every day they should be worshipped. Yatho Chitta Tara Susiddhant. And the Siddhant, the philosophy, the understanding which they have given us, we should become followers of that Siddhant. Otherwise, what is the meaning of following in the footsteps of the Acharyas? Anusankirtanam. Anusankirtanam is following in the footsteps of the Acharyas. The meaning of following in the footsteps of the Acharyas is to accept our previous Acharyas as our Shiksha Gurus. It's very important. And become their followers. And become chaste or loyal to our parampara. Na laibe anya shiksha. Nowadays some devotees, they go shopping for shortcuts. They go to different devotees outside our line and they try to get some easy ways out. No. But here it is said that na mani be anya shiksha. First, the parampara in which you are coming, you should be loyal to that parampara. You should understand the teachings of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You don't even know the teachings of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and you are going to other. Do you know the teachings of Bhakti Siddhant, of Jagannath Das Babaji, of Baldev Vidya Bhushan, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur? Try to understand their teachings. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur has given us everything conceivable. Even now I am reading his books, I am finding new and new things. I am reading his books for the past 20 years, but still I am finding new and new things. Astonishing. Bhaktivinoda Thakur's books are astonishing. The problem is why devotees are leaving our line and taking Diksha elsewhere is because nobody is teaching Bhaktivinoda Thakur's books. If they understand, like Harinam Chintamani, it is the highest knowledge. You can't find, you don't need anything more than this. It will take you up to the Siddha Deha, up to the Sampatti Dasha, Jaiva Dharma, Navdeep Dham Mahatmya, classic books, Prema Vivarta. So all these books of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, we should try to understand. We should be loyal to our sampradaya, our parampara. Then we get the mercy. Otherwise we'll become just like a prostitute. A prostitute is searching new men every day. It is not that our parampara is inferior in any way, because Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Kamal Manjari. He is a Manjari. Even if you want Manjari Bhav, you can get Manjari Bhav in our line. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Kamal Manjari. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati is Nayana Mani Manjari. So in our line, the Manjari Prem is also there. But it is given through Naam. It is not given cheaply. It is given by Naam, in the form of the holy name. When the Guru gives Naam Diksha, inside the Naam, the Swarup is there. The Siddha Deha is there. There is no need to give any separate Diksha. It is not mentioned in Harinam Chintamani, any Diksha like that. It is mentioned on the stage of Apam Dasha. The disciple goes to the Guru and asks about the Siddha Deha. But it is not mentioned that the Guru gives the Siddha Deha in form of Diksha. No, that is the wrong process. The Guru gives the Naam. In the name, everything is there. The Guru is fixed in his own Sarup. So when the Guru gives the Naam, then he also gives the Swarup of the disciple in the seed form. Because anyway our spiritual form right now is in the seed form. It's growing. Taharo Adesh Pali Bejato. Obey. the instructions of our previous acharyas with carefully, with endeavor, try to implement their instructions. And don't take diksha from others. Now laibe anya diksha. It is so sad now, even in our Gaudi, our Dhara, gurus are initiating disciples of other gurus, left and right. Some guru is going, is initiating. The problem is they are not reading Harinam Chintamani. In Harinam Chintamani it is said that if your guru is properly situated in Krishna consciousness, then you should not receive that same mantra from another guru. One mantra can be received only once in your life. If the guru falls down into Maya, then that mantra loses the potency. Then the mantra has to be received again. Mantra does not lose the potency. The holy name is always powerful, but the prem, bhakti, the connection with our parampara, one has to receive the pure mantra again to nullify the reactions of that fallen guru. If we keep on chanting the mantra given by a fallen guru who falls into Maya, then we also get some of his reactions. It's a two-way thing. Whatever the disciple, the aparad the disciple does, that goes to the guru nam aparad, and the guru, suppose, falls down, then the guru's some influence also goes into the disciple. That is why in the Vedic system it is said that as long as the guru and disciple are qualified, that relationship is eternal. But when the guru falls down, he gives up bhakti, he gives up chanting, he often criticizes Vaishnavas, he becomes subordinate to money, sex life, then that guru should be given up and that mantra should be accepted again. From a bona fide guru, from a pure guru. So, संप्रदाय गुरु गणे की शिक्षा गुरु जानी अन्य मोत पंडितेरो शिक्षा नहीं मानी. Accept your Shiksha Guru. Accept your Acharyas, previous Acharyas as your Shiksha Gurus. And don't accept the opinions of other scholars and Pandits. Don't go shopping. If the complete knowledge, the mercy is there in your Dhara. The thing is, if we don't have faith in our own Shiksha Gurus, our acharyas, then the acharyas will also take away their mercy on us. The acharyas will say, he is not loyal, he is going everywhere. Why should we deliver him? Why should we take the responsibility for him? He doesn't have faith in us. Shei mote susikshit sadhu sucharit Diksha Guru Yogya Sada Jane Supandit. Also, that Guru who is very well expert in the scriptures and who is having spotless character, pure character, that Guru should be accepted as Diksha Guru, Supandit, and that Guru should be able to extract the essence from the scriptures and give it. The essence. Mayavadi mate thake Krishna mantra loye taro aparad labh parmarth labh kabu nahi hoye. Mayavadi nikote Krishna mantra lai parmarth hoy na. If you take even the Krishna mantra from a Mayavadi guru, even if it is the Krishna mantra, but if you take it from a Mayavadi, then you will not get anything auspicious. Like nowadays what the gurus do, they make a menu card, mantra menu card. They gave you the card. One mantra is Krishna's mantra, one is Ganesh mantra, Durga mantra, Shiva's mantra. He said, you choose your mantra. The gurus are very smart. They try to act very smart. They think that the disciple is a worshipper of so many different demigods. So let him choose the mantra. The gurus, these are all bogus gurus, karmakandiya gurus. They have no faith that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. They give other mantras, demigods mantras on the same level as Krishna mantra, like we have seen in the previous offense. It is a second offense in the holy name of Krishna to do that. So don't accept the mantra from a Mayavadi, because a Mayavadi is chanting the mantra for a selfish motive, interest. That Mayavadi is chanting the Krishna mantra because the Mayavadi wants to become Krishna. He wants to become one with Krishna. And because of that, his mantra is polluted. His mantra, it is tinged with his offensive mentality. So Mayavadi Bhashya sunile hoye sarvana. Ved Vyas wrote the Puranas, but if you hear from the Mayavadis, you take Diksha from the Mayavadis, everything is finished. Bhakti is finished. You will not get Paramarth. Shuddha Guru Vyatit Anya Ki Guru Koribena. You should accept a pure devotee as your Guru. Je Anyaye Shikhe Shei Shiksha Detar. उभय नरके जाए ना पाए उद्धार. जे अन्याय शिखे और जे अन्यायर शिक्षा देन दुनी गुरु शिष्य नरकेते जाए. That guru who teaches wrong philosophy and that disciple who hears this wrong philosophy, both of them go to hell. That is why don't accept a guru without being a pure devotee. Because only a pure devotee can talk the right Siddhanta. Rasika Guru Rasabhas Korena Jado Tat Jado Shishiro Rasakatha Kohena. A Rasika Guru will never speak Rasabhas. Wrong understanding, wrong mellows. Because the Rasik Guru is fully absorbed in Ras. So the Rasik Guru knows what is Ras and what is Kuras, what is bad Ras. So he will never mix materialistic, even subtle materialistic concoctions in his knowledge, in his teachings. So one should be careful not to take shiksha from someone who is giving the wrong philosophy. Otherwise, both will go to hell. It's a very strong punishment, term given here. Shuddha bhakti chhadi jini shikhai lena vad taharo jivan matra vad visham vad. Giving a pure bhakti, if the guru is teaching speculation, then that guru's life is full speculated life, and that guru is not going to attain the highest destination. Nowadays people become very attracted by flowery language, and they think, oh, this fellow is speaking good, this person is speaking good, this person is speaking good. They don't see how much it is purifying their heart. They only see how much their ears are liking it. Oh, it is very entertaining to my ears. Oh, that guru is speaking very nice kirtan, very nice, sweet. But they cannot even understand that guru is speaking speculation. It's very, very difficult to understand. Only a Madhyam Adhikari can understand. We have to become Madhyamadhikaris. Then we can understand what is pure philosophy and what is mixed philosophy. তাহার জীবন মাত্র যে কেমনে গুরু হবে উদ্ধারিবে জীবে আপনি অসিদ্ধ অন্য কিবা শুভ দিবে. How can he become a guru? How can he deliver others if he himself is asiddha? Asiddha means incomplete. He is making mistakes. He doesn't know the right philosophy. Then how can he give the pure knowledge to others? He himself does not have qualified shiksha gurus. Actually, a fruit is known by the tree. The tree is known by the fruit. So, first of all, we should see the dhara. If any speaker is not following in the parampara, one should not hear. So, ataiva shuddha guru je keno noy उपयुक्त गुरु है सर्व शास्त्र कोय. That is why only a pure guru can become a guru. Others cannot become a guru in the true sense because they cannot give the right knowledge. I have seen many, even devotees, their lives are destroyed by